Tweezer people, Ideal-Tek plays an important role in the healthcare system since it designs and manufactures high-quality hand tools used in manufacturing processes to produce devices that diagnose, monitor, and treat conditions and improve overall the quality of our lives. Cutting tweezers are one of our favorite tools in this field, as their use is directly connected to medical device manufacturing processes where it's crucial to reach and cut wires in tight and confined spaces or wherever you need to cut soft and tiny hard wires. Depending on your application, Ideal-Tek supplies three types of tip closing: angled cutting blades, parallel cutting blades, and predominantly angled cutting blades. But what do we mean with that? Let's zoom together the tips of these three models to see the differences. The first model is a 15A with angled cutting blades. The cutting edge is limited to a very tiny area on the tips. This allows you to transfer all the flow force applied with the fingers to the tips to make a very precise cut. The second model is the 15AP with parallel blades, which allow cutting at any point on the cutting blades as they provide more contact. The force is not concentrated in a precise area, but all over the blade. The third cutting edge type, the most popular, is the predominantly angled blades, the 15AGW model. The geometry of this tweezer is somehow between the first two models. In fact, the blades meet most predominantly at the tip, which means that the cutting area is bigger than in the angled cutting blades. So, for most of the cutting tasks, the operator can perform his job more easily. Both angled and predominantly angled blades are ideal for the limited working area available under a microscope. The small touching point enhances the blade's accuracy thanks to their perfect alignment. Cutting tweezers are essential tools in your processes. Be sure to have the right model for your application, and if you have any doubt, just contact Ideal-Tek. We are here to meet any of your needs. Stay tuned.